Good afternoon, April the 23rd, 2015. Time to wrap up the E-mini. Tough day of trading again. The market would move quickly, then it would die. If you don't catch that first move early in the session, the trading can become really, really difficult as you move into these time frames where it'll pause for an hour, 2, 3 hours. And then we have explosive volatility, and then the market dies. So the market was headed up. We again had lousy economic news around the globe, and the market rallied off of that. So bad news continues to rally the market because the Fed can't raise interest rates. Started off wanting to buy 95s to 90s. The best you could have executed was 93.50, and that was before the day session opened. So we moved our buy up to 95, 97. Started off wanting to sell 2100s, 2105s. Go to our website and check it out. First trade was software generated. The letter B underneath that bar. You had 5 bars to scratch that trade. You could have made a point. Second software generated trade was right here off that letter B. You just did make 3 points. This was an exhaustion bar. We took that trade live in the room. You could have taken this trade here off the S. Either one of them would have gotten you just 3 points. You could have maybe 3.5 if you traded it perfectly. Then the market kind of dies. We were in this trade, so we didn't get our mean green trade, which is part of it. Market comes back up. Off this S, software generated, you scratched, made a point. Off this retest failure right here, you scratched. Off of this B, you could have stayed in it till the high, or this B, you made 3 to as many as 8 points. Off of this B right here, you were never taken after that trade, out of that trade by your stop. You got, depending on where you got in, if you took yourself out here, you scratched the trade. If you wrote it out, you got 4 points. Had a loser off of that software generated trade right there, lost 2, get a retest failure. You make 1 to 2 points off this retest failure. Scratch the trade off that software generated trade, retest failure here, you can make 1 to 2. And off this retest failure here, you made 3 to 4. So when it was all said and done, there were 12 trades possible. Nobody takes them all. You'd have grossed 14 points. We had 1 loser where you lost 2, so you ended up netting 12 points. A reasonable day, but you really had to work for it. Nothing fell into your lap. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get more information on the software, the trading methodologies, and our programs for traders. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room. We trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, I wish you good trading.